Supreme Court will resume the hearing on writ petition concerning the alleged audio tape purportedly featuring the voice of ex-Chief Minister Biren tomorrow. The court is scheduled to resume hearings on November 3 of 2025 in writ petition civil number 702 of 2024, Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust versus Union of India and another listed before court number 13 as item number 31. The controversy stems from the prolonged and inconclusive handling of the tape by national forensic agencies. The Central Forensic Science Laboratory CFSL spent nearly 5 months examining the recording, only to later declare that it was not in a position to verify the authenticity. On August 27, 2025, the Supreme Court directed that the audio material be sent to the NFSL Gandhinagar with 2 specific instructions designed to prevent further procedural lapses. 1, to determine whether the audio clips were edited, modified, or tampered with, and to categorically state whether the voice in the disputed clips matches the admitted voice sample, confirming whether the same person spoke in all the recordings. The bench of Justices Arvind Kumar and P.V. Sanjay Kumar also instructed that the recordings, admitted sample, and questionnaire be forwarded within 1 week, and that the NFSL must submit its report to the court in a sealed cover case within 6 weeks. The case was initiated by the Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust, KOHUR, which seeks an independent probe into the audio evidence. The group has accused government forensic agencies of bias and inaction, pointing to the CFSL's earlier failure to produce clear results after 4 months of testing.